NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with a review, a skincare review with JLo Beauty products. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. Today I'm super excited to review a skincare line by JLo Beauty. I mean, to me, just seemed like so many celebrities are coming out with skincare lines. I mean, it was Rihanna and Kylie Beauty and a lot of other ones as well. But I love JLo, I love her, and I'm not no shade at all. But it just seems so odd that so many celebrities are coming out with skincare lines. I decided to pick up the 4-piece set called That JLo Glow. It's $64, and let me tell you what's all included in this, okay? It says on what the products are. It says a hydrating glow boosting daily regimen that includes the JLo Beauty cleanser, the serum, the moisturizer, and the complex booster in the shade Warm Bronze, your go-to glow staple. Okay, it says the skin types are for normal, dry, combination, and oily. The skincare concerns are fine lines and wrinkles, dryness, and dullness. The ingredients with these products are really good. I'm highly super impressed with the ingredients, okay? It says the JLo Beauty Olive Complexion blend of squalene, fermented oil, extra virgin olive oil, and leaf extract. Delivers rich hydration. Japanese rice sake ferment visibly brightens and conditions for an overall more vibrant complexion. Hyaluronic acid, one of my favorite ingredients, delivers continuous hydration for a more plump, dewy looking skin. So what I received in the kit was, like it said, the facial wash, the serum, the moisturizer, and like the highlighter glow. First of all, the packaging, super cute, out of this world. Love this packaging. Look at this. Okay, this is just like the mini size, okay? So this packaging, I just love, like this rose gold elegant type glass looking, so pretty. This looks like something that probably will sit right on JLo's vanity. So let's get into this facial wash. First of all, I like the fact that the facial wash does not have a scent to it. None of these products really have a scent to it. It smells like just a neutral scent, but fresh, but not a bad scent at all, okay? I like that. I like that they took in consideration that, you know, sometimes people are allergic to fragrances, and sometimes fragrances can irritate the skin. And so once I apply this to my skin, it doesn't have a rich, thick lather. Now, you guys know I have bone dry skin. I'm 50 years old. So with me, with cleansers, I do not like foamy cleansers that strip the skin, okay? So when this applies onto your skin, and for what I was looking at when she was talking about her products, I believe that she said that you can use this just to actually remove your makeup. Now, I double cleanse, so I always go in first with my Palmer's or cleansing remover or the Tatcha. I love those cleansers, or you know, a balm cleanser. I go in there first and remove my makeup, and then I apply this, and it didn't strip my skin. And when I did it with just this by itself, without double cleansing with the oil, it felt not stripping, but super clean, you know, really clean, really where I really at this point need to apply something onto my skin before it dries out, if that makes sense. You know, some products, it doesn't strip your skin, but it can leave your skin feeling like you need some moisturizer immediately, okay? So it wasn't bad. I like the smell, I like the way it made my skin feel. Yes, this was a good, pretty product, okay? I do like this. Let me tell you now, originally, I paid for this total for the miniature sizes, I paid $64, okay? But this by itself, it looks like it would be, that single gel cream cleanser would be $38. Okay, so next on the list is that JLo Serum, okay? Again, packaging super cute. If you just buy this individually, it will run you $79, okay? So when I apply this onto my skin, it does give you a nice glow, you know, and I applied this after my regular hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and things like that, because sometimes skincare will not agree with each other, and you just can't apply it because you have that little you know, if you apply it on with other skincare, if it doesn't mix well, it will rub off of you. You know, that little texture, and you can sometimes see it rubbing off, look like your skin is peeling. Well, it didn't do that, okay? This didn't do that. It worked well with other products, so I can say that. And it did not irritate me at all, so I didn't have to get used to this. And this is going on the 3rd week, okay? So I wanted to just go ahead and bring this to you because I didn't receive any breakouts. You know, 3 weeks to 4 weeks, I can kind of tell if I like the product or how it's doing on my skin, okay? So no breakouts. This is a nice serum. It does provide you some glow, and I did feel a little bit of hydration, and I like it. I do like this. It says tightening and brightening serum. Did I see any results? Not really. I didn't see really any results with this at all. Not like I've seen with other products I have used, you know, skincare. Did it provide a glow? Yes, it did. It provided a nice glow on my skin, and it did feel good. So maybe I will continue to use it and see if I do see any results, and I will let you guys know. I'm going to use it because I paid for it. So if there's any change or any difference, I would definitely, you know, let you guys know. But yeah, I like it. Yeah, all in all, I do like it. Now, next is called that Blockbuster Wonder Miracle Cream. Okay, so this is a cute packaging, okay? It looks more like a putty. When you touch it, it's more of a putty type consistency. Cute jar. I don't see any ingredients that I disagree with. It says water, glycerin, squalene, shea butter, which is great for the skin, of course. So yeah, and let me see, hyaluronic acid and niacinamide is in the bottom, but not all the way at the bottom, okay? So the ingredient list is phenomenal, okay? So when I apply this onto my skin, it is super hydrating in my opinion, and you know how I feel about hydrating moisturizers, okay? I have bone dry skin, so moisturizers that really hydrate my skin, I'm all for. It says that Blockbuster Wonder Cream with hyaluronic acid in it, okay? So yes, I love hyaluronic acid. I like the texture of this. I like the way it goes on my skin. It did leave a glow. It also moisturized my skin, and I applied it on here, and I applied this day and night just to really see how I like this moisturizer. The original price for this one is $58. Pretty pricey as well, but I would pay for that. I would pay for a good hydrating moisturizer cream that has shea butter in it, has olive oil in it. You know, and I see a lot of people are really fussing about the olive oil and it clogging your pores and things like that. Well, you know, in my opinion, at my age, 50, I like moisturizing oil type products. Now, I don't know about it clogging your pores. I have used olive oil on my skin before. I have never had a problem with it. Now, maybe if you have really oily skin, it may, you know, do something to it. It has never done anything to my skin. I actually like cleansing my skin. I used to cleanse it with olive oil or coconut oil and things like that. I like olive oil, so I don't see the problem with it. You know, I'm not a professional in skincare. Like, that's not what I do. But for my skin, it didn't bother my skin at all. I didn't have clogged pores or anything. So I like the fact that JLo is looking at products that helped her, and she's trying to give you a product that helped her. Now, everybody's skin is different, so, you know, to me, I hear a lot of slack and a lot of people talking about it, but in my opinion, I just think when you make a product, you do make a product and consider everyone else, like the smell sensitive with fragrance and things, but you make products that has helped you. If olive oil has helped her skin, and JLo is gorgeous and she looks young, like she looks young forever, looks like, it doesn't look like she's aging, I feel like she's trying to deliver a product that works for her. I'm taking that in consideration, and with that, I really do love this moisturizer. It is so hydrating, so rich, creamy. Are there other moisturizers out here that's similar to it? Yeah, there are, but some of them do not give me the longevity of, you know, when you first put it on, it does feel hydrating and all of that, but eventually it evaporates or something, and you don't feel it throughout the day. Your skin still feels parched. That's why I always use my Pond's, because I can go for 24 hours and my skin doesn't feel dry and, oh, it's time for me to put on something. This kept my skin moisturized all day long. So This is one of my favorite products. I would definitely purchase this again for $58. Definitely purchase this for $58. This last product right here called That Star Filter, and it's a complexion booster. Now this is more of that little glow. I didn't put anything on because I wanted to try it on here today, because I tried it on my skin regularly and it did pretty good. But you know, I'm this complexion anyway, so I think I needed something a little lighter to give me a more intensive glow. Well, I will put this on now, right now, just to see how this looks on my skin. Okay, so I'm applying it on here now, and I guess it does show up. It does give me a nice glow here. I like to apply a little bit around the temple areas. So yeah, this is nice and pretty. This is very nice around the lip area, but I do. So yeah, this gives a nice natural glow. So I like this. I'm going to use it because I purchased it. Would I purchase this again? No, being honest, probably not. I like this. There are other highlighters that I can use, but I will definitely use this. I do like the way it looks on there. I can see it. Let me show you how this looks. It says that it's a highlight bronze diffuser. Now I did apply it onto my regular skin and applied it on it, and it does give you that natural radiant glow, especially if you do not wear makeup. You know, if you don't wear makeup and you want to apply this glow just to give you that natural looking like it's an inner glow, this would do it. My overall thought on this product. Would I purchase this entire line? I don't think so. I don't think I would purchase the entire line, but I like it. Now, I like the skincare. I like bonus points for no fragrance. I do like that it has olive oil in it. Personally, I like olive oil, okay? So I like the way olive oil does my skin as well. So I'm all for it. Olive oil, yes, yes, yes. My favorite product out of the 4 products that I have is that Blockbuster Wonder Cream. Love this. This stuff I will purchase again because I love moisturizers. And this is one moisturizer that I will definitely keep and I will purchase. And I think it left my skin hydrated all day long. So definitely would purchase this again. Love this, okay? It is a little pricey. It's $58 for the bigger jar. And this right here is 0.5 fluid ounces. The bigger jar is 1.7 fluid ounces, okay, for $58. Yeah, I would definitely buy that again. The Serum, no, for $79 I wouldn't buy this Serum. There are other serums that are just as good or better, but I do like it. Now if you are a fan of JLo's and you want to support her, absolutely, this is not a bad line at all, okay? And for this cleanser, would I purchase this for $38, $39? No, probably not, because I have other cleansers that I just absolutely love and that's more affordable and does the job even better. So yeah, but a skincare line in general, yeah, it's pretty good. I would recommend, if you like JLo and you want to support her, absolutely. This is not a bad line. It didn't do anything to my skin. It's like it didn't damage my skin. I didn't have any breakouts. So it's not a bad line at all. It has no fragrance in it, fragrance free. And if you do have mature skin, dry mature skin, I think you would like this, okay? Especially if you really just want to support JLo. Absolutely, absolutely. That is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful and interesting for you. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on the way out if you haven't done so already. And thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch my videos. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.